But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there.
Hello, good evening and welcome back to my channel. It's Walking Road Rider again. I'm back again with another vlog. This is gonna be another very special vlog, man. I've always dreamed of owning a drone, and today is finally come. So yeah, let's stop blushing on the camera and let's actually go out and unbox my DJI Mini. It's 8 o'clock in the night and I couldn't shoot it outside. The best place for me to shoot was in the kitchen, so I'm here in the kitchen. So let's start the unboxing. For first and foremost, I got the parcel from Design Info. I got my GoPro as well from Design Info. It's been exactly 1 year I got my GoPro, so 1 year anniversary and another expenditure. EMI Zindabad. Okay, look at my parcel, man. DJI Mini. This is an ultralight drone, so technically all those rules which are applicable on drones don't apply to this. And this is one of the reason a lot of people buy nano drones. This is called a nano drone, by the way. So yeah, let us unbox. And by the way, I got a fly mower. Written. Where is it? Okay, yeah. I got the fly mower combo, so it has a lot of stuff inside apart from the drone. So let's open it. Okay, finally the unboxing. This is the case of the drone. Pretty huge, man. Okay, so let's open it. Let's see what now is there inside. Oh, I thought they give me a white drone, but okay, it's okay. I got a gray one. This is the nano drone with all the propellers and stuff. It's not even a handful. 249 grams with the batteries inside. So yeah, this is the drone. Next, you get the remote control. Cute remote control. New products smell good, don't they? Okay, and then next, we have the charging port for charging all the 3 batteries together. This is the fly mower combo, so you get this port. You can put in all 3 batteries, and this is a charger here, the normal USB port. Okay, so let's open what else is there inside. These are just cables. Oh yeah, these are spare propellers, just in case the stock ones get spoiled, so you get spare propellers. And last but not the least, what's inside this? Oh, okay, cables. Yeah, these cables they help you connect your remote to the phone for using the DJI Fly app. And these are regular charging ports. And I don't know what is this for. I'll have to do a little bit of research on this. Some kind of a screw, dude. I don't know. Okay, that's it. And we have a huge box in this. Propeller protectors. These are for using when you're flying it indoors, so that the propellers don't get damaged when you hit some indoor object. Now these you don't really require this when you're flying outdoors, but yeah, this is good enough. What else is there? What else is there? What else is there? This seems heavy, man. Okay, yeah, these are the 3 batteries. 3 batteries. And lastly, yeah, this is the Yeah, this you technically can't use in India because this is for mostly US and Chinese plugs. Something else is also there. What is this? Okay, yeah, nothing much, just manuals which we'll have to sit and read. No stickers or what? Come on, man, one at least. No stickers. That's it. So we're technically done with all the unboxing. Now we'll just put all these things together and let's have a first flight on my DJI Mini. And by the way, I've planned to name my DJI Mini Lucy. So let's wish Lucy and me all the best for everything which is coming in the days to come. See ya. I'm gonna put all the information about the drone, the cost, and from where I bought it. And of course, you guys know this is from the designinfo.in. So the information is in the description below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.